Hello everyone, welcome to Education Tattva. This is Anil. So far, I have been observing like my audio is not up to the mark, so I prefer to go for Boya first. Somehow it was not working for me. I checked a lot of reviews over the internet. It was working for everyone, but unfortunately, this was not working for me. I thought to create good quality content, and that's where I ordered this Blue Yeti. I think going forward, it may be a little better in terms of user experience and let's quickly go and see how this is doing. This is quite heavy in terms of its weight. Seems like I ordered it through Amazon, obviously. Nowadays, I don't see any authentic seal on this one, as you can just see, look at it. But let's open it. And the benefit of recording these videos, if there will be anything which is not working, so maybe we can go and clean that. Manufactured by Logitech Asia Pacific Limited in Hong Kong, and then they have registered office in Maharashtra. So I ordered it for 10,999 on Amazon, but the MRP here is 12,990, almost 2,000 rupees extra. It comes with sub box like this, and within an internal box. Okay, though I'm very bad at opening such kind of unboxing videos, but I'm little excited as well how the overall audio quality will improve. So for what I was using laptop and built mic or the Boya mic for sometimes, but here comes the cable. Right? This may be a little fuzzy just because of the background, green background using, and then it has one booklet which talks about professional multi-pattern USB mic for recording and streaming, and they are having this in multiple languages. These are the standard procedures that most of the companies do follow. And then here comes the one that I was waiting for. Here comes the mic. This is quite heavy, as most of the YouTuber talked about it. Okay, nothing else in the box. So let me just show you how does this look. Okay, this comes like here, and then is this is quite heavy. This is quite heavy. Completion. So there is an audio jack for 5 volt, and then there is power adapter which is this micro USB, and it connects to your USB port. Okay, so I just changed the microphone settings to Yeti, Blue Yeti now. Let me know if there is massive change. I don't know like how it sounds like, but what I did, I just plugged it in, and with some auto settings, I'm recording rest of this video. Let me know your feedback if this was worth investing in this microphone setup. Let me know if you have any question or comparison in terms of laptop based input and then Boya and then finally Blue Yeti. Thanks for watching this video. Do like, comment and subscribe to this channel. It motivates me to make better content. Thank you all.